Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can have or make rounded corners in CapCut. So I have this video that I want to edit and make rounded corners. So if you want to also do the same, you can just follow my steps. After you add your videos, you can just click on it on the timeline and then just swipe through the menu at the bottom until you find mask. So click on mask and in here choose the rectangle one, and now you can just adjust the size of your video. For example, I'm going to just go with like this, so I will have a black frame, but I want to have a rounded corner. So what you need to do is just drag this button at the top left corner of your video. So just drag it like this and it will make your video to have a rounded corner just like this. You can always adjust the position, and if you're done you can click on a check icon, and now your video will become like this. And that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.